Imagine waking up in a world where robots handle every job, from making coffee to performing surgeries. But what happens to us humans? AI and robotics are advancing fast. Today, robots can think, adapt, and even learn. But as they improve, will there be any jobs left for us? It could be paradise. Robots handle the work, giving us time to focus on creativity and self-improvement. But what if it's not? A world without human jobs could lead to widespread poverty and loss of purpose. Who owns these robots? And who benefits? If only the wealthy control them, we might face a future with even greater inequality. Maybe the answer lies in partnership. By working together with robots, we can reach new heights and focus on what makes us uniquely human. What do you think? Will robots taking over jobs lead us to a golden age or a grim new reality? Let us know in the comments below.